Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing an unboxing of my brand new model. This is the Phoenix 1400 Conviasa A340-200, and yes, I am using a bit from a 1500 stand because I don't have a pen right now. But yeah, Conviasa, it's airline of Venezuela, I believe, or Colombia, and they operate to holiday destinations, like went from Venezuela to Madrid, Barcelona, and I think a few others. It might be a charter airline right now. They're not as popular as they were. But yes, first A340 in my collection, that's why I wanted this model. It's of course from Aircraft Model Store, as most of my models are. Great place, recommend. And there we have it, no damage on it. Just double checking. Yep, no damage, very good. Conviasa A340. Let me zoom it in. So it's so blurry. I'm gonna try to fix that. There. This is the closest it will go. Right, you have your cockpit windows, your nose. I can't read what this says. You have this thing, whatever that is. Everyone boarding the Airbus A340-200 titles, your main landing gear, windows there, antenna, Wi-Fi box, Conviasa titles here. You've got your two engines, winglet, Conviasa.aero. Here, I don't know if you can read it, but it says Venezuela in tiny writing, and I don't know what these logos are. Registration, Yankee Victor 1004, and you have your Venezuela flag on the tail with the airline logo. Okay, I do have other models on order, so as they will be arriving, I will be unboxing them. You can see engines are quite fine detailed. Yeah, this model did have good reviews and it was on sale as well, so that's why I bought it. I bought the last one actually because there where I checked the next day was sold out. Yeah, here you can see detail for your landing gear door, all your lights, antenna thingies, your light there, anti-collision light, Phoenix logo, hole for the stand, your two sets of landing wheels, and your middle landing gear, because A340 has that. It's like A330 with that additional wheel, and then on the Dash 600 it's a set like here of wheels, but on the 200 and 300 I believe it's just one wheel in the middle. And then you've got your antenna there and APU dot there. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I see you in the next video. Goodbye.